Welcome! Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to unsend a sticker from a chat on Instagram using your PC, especially with the new update. If you've ever sent a sticker by mistake or just want to retract it, this step-by-step tutorial will help you do just that. First, open Instagram in your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your chats seamlessly. Next, look for the messages icon located on the left menu of your screen. It's typically represented by an envelope or speech bubble icon. Click on it to open your direct messages. Once you're in the messages section, find and open the chat where you sent the sticker you wish to unsend. This could be a conversation with a friend or a group chat. Just click on it to view the messages exchanged. Now that you're in the right chat, scroll through the conversation until you locate the sticker message. When you find it, hover over the message. This will reveal additional options. Look for the three dots next to the sticker message and click on them. A small menu will pop up with several options. Here, you want to select Unsend. After clicking this, Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice. This step is crucial because once you unsend the sticker, it will be removed from both your chat and the recipient's view. Finally, confirm your action by clicking on Unsend again in the confirmation window. And just like that, the sticker will disappear, as if it was never sent. Remember, unsending a sticker removes it from both sides of the conversation, but if the recipient has already seen it before you unsend it, they might still remember what was sent. So be mindful of that. That's all there is to it. Now you can confidently manage your Instagram chats and unsend any stickers you no longer want to share. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.